Aotearoa Winton School, ko Libby here. She is Libby. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raapa, the 29th of March. Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te reo for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Try use this word this week.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 3.
And now potae is still required from 11. Kia ora.
Put your na potae on, put it on your head, or else you'll turn red.
Now for today's notices, can you please meet the magazine team with Mr. Tucker in the group room at 12:40 today. Today is the first day of the Inter-House Quiz Challenge, starting with Year 1 and 2 students. Can you please make sure if you quiz your lunch 12:30, please? Health leader makes sure you team.
ready to go.
No, you got it.
Reminder that tomorrow is bakery day. Make sure your orders get in quickly. Winton Sharks have practiced today at lunchtime.
Senior Kapahaka is on Ramini. That's Friday. This week it's not Raapa. That's Thursday. Reminder if your last practice for our Kapahaka, so it would be good to see you all Kapahaka kuti.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. What's this?
It's the text box. Put it back. And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.